Hi all of you, today I'm going to show you how to configure Git on your Linux machine. So let's get started. So let's get start and who folks haven't watched my last video on Git, the link is up, you can check it out as well. So let me just start this machine first. This is this was my machine which I created in my last video. As you all know, this is your Git 1. So in this video I'll show you how to configure, and also I'll show you how to uh, so you have to create an account on this GitHub as well. So first, let me sign in because I already created account. What was the So now as you can see that I am in my GitHub right now, and these are my repositories. Okay, so you have to make account first on this like that. So this is my profile as you can see here, and these are some repositories here. Okay, so let me first log in into my Linux machine. So now you can see that my IP address is available. So let me copy and paste it here, and now it's time to open it like this. So ec2 hyphen user to log in. Now sudo su to be a root user, and now ctl plus l to clear the screen. So now let me first do ls. There is Singapore Git, as you all know. This is my repository, this is my local repo. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to configure. Okay, how to configure? So you have to write git config hyphen global user dot name, and now you have to write in double inverted commas what is your name. So let me write here Saitya. Okay, or let me write here Vasu for now. And now it's time to uh, configure email as well. I can do email, I can configure email. So let me write vasu at the rate gmail.com, anything I can write. Okay, this is just for practice, this is not permanent stuff. So if I want to check this stuff, git hyphen hyphen list. Okay, git global, I think global is there, not like this. Git config hyphen list. So now you can see that git config hyphen list. After doing that, after running that command, you can see that this is my username and this is my email address. So why I have configured this commit code when you push code. Okay, so when you push code, so the person on the other side, when he opens the repository, when he access the commits, all the commits, I'll show you what are commits. Okay, for now just remember that it means to upload code. Okay, upload code on GitHub. Like let me show you. Like this is my center git. Okay, so now you can see that, so this is commit. Okay, so these are commits all. So when you commit, so there will your name. So when you commit to repository or someone else commit, so everyone can see that who committed that code. By how can they know that? By the username and email address. Okay, so let me make another machine in which region. Let me make in this Canada Central region a new machine, which is your git 2. Okay, let me do opt out to old. So let me make uh, let me make a machine. Which machine should I take? Well, I think this is good. Okay, so let me make this machine. Next, now next, now again next. Let me add name of it. Name. Okay, name should be GIT2 because this is my second machine. This is my second user. I will show you how a Git actually works. All TCP. Let me do it like this. Anywhere, anywhere, and also anywhere. Now next, no key pair found. Let me make a new key pair. Name Canada and download key pair. So now my git 2 is created, as you all can see here, and status is now pending. So uh, let me first create that pem file. How to create that file? Now you can see that there is your pem. Okay, this is your pem file. So you have to go to just this putigen. Now uh, load d- download all files Canada pem. Okay, now save private key on desktop as name of Canada. Okay, save. Now you can see that this is created, and let me open this as well. Okay, let me make appearance 26 bold. This is good, and color should be green for now because this is my second machine. Browse that key Canada, and now it's time to paste its IP. So what is IP of it? This one. So let me open this machine as well. Let me access this machine. EC2 hyphen user. Wait a minute. What is the problem? Okay, I think I should paste it here. Yes. So now as you can see that I am in my machine right now. Sudo su to be a root user. Now first let me update this machine. Yum update hyphen y. Okay, so you can see that my machine is updating right now. So let me just update this, and after that I will install your git. Okay, so now update it. So now you can see that my machine is updated. Now it's time to install git. Yum install git hyphen y. So now my git is installing here as well. So let me make a repository mkdir Canada git. Okay, and let me uh, get into it Canada. Okay, so let me make it let me show you first. Let me do hyphen ls hyphen al to see all the hidden files as well. What, because this directory is now empty, but it has hidden files, some hidden files. So when I do git init, okay, so now you can see that now it is converted to repository, local repo. So when I do ls hyphen al, now you can see that there is a .git folder as well because this is converted to your local repo. So now let me configure this as well. Let me come back. So now I'm at here at ec2 hyphen user, which is my home. So now it's time to do git config hyphen global user dot name should be like Sahitya. Okay, now it is configured. Let me uh, change this to email as well. Email and Sahitya@gmail.com. Anything I can write. Okay, so now you can see that this is also configured. So now my both machines are configured, as you all can see. And in the next video I will do some commits. I will show you how to add to staging area, and then you can commit to local repo, and you can push code to GitHub as well. So I will show you in my next video. Just practice this stuff for now. And yeah, my next video will be posted after some time, after a few days. I think this is time to end this video. So bye for now.
आओ दिलदानी माड़ा पूरा बीट है